Hey y'all, so I literally just woke up. Well, actually we got up at 3 in the morning and we got up at 2:30 and we was cooking. We gave them all their food. I probably insert a clip. And yeah, now we were allowed to go back to sleep for a little bit after giving their food. This is what I'm eating in my room. I got the elbow macaroni tomato sauce one. And yeah, I'm starving. I'm gonna show y'all what's in it too. Okay, hopefully you guys can hear me. But anyway, when you open it, oops, this is what it look like. Okay. Alright, so we got peanut butter. This how it look. And the peanut butter is just regular peanut butter, but I have to open it for y'all. So you just squeeze it. As you can see, it's coming out a little bit. We just set that there. We have strawberry jelly, same thing. What is this? This is the roasted peanuts. Same thing. I'll show you how it looks. It's just a regular peanut. It comes with like a utensil bag. Not a utensil bag, but like, what's it called? Like, like salt, pepper, hot sauce, has a little Tabasco sauce and shit. Comes with Tabasco. Matches. This is like napkins. A wet napkin. Sugar, coffee, and gum. So that's what that is. Y'all, this better work because it keeps stopping saying my storage is full. No ma'am, we ain't finna do that. I'm out here itching and taking shower days. Don't got time for it. Anyway, this is a mango peach applesauce, pretty bad. I just started thinking about that Beyonce song, Coffee. If you like Beyonce, like this video, comment down below. They got like bread, butter, peanut butter, and jelly. You know I'm eating it. And then also they got chocolate protein drink powder, which I'm gonna drink it. So you just add water in here, and boom, protein drink. This is so you can heat your food up. So I'm gonna show y'all. You basically fill it up with water, and then it'll warm your food up. So let's go. Alright, y'all. So it's filled up. And you're only supposed to fill it to right here, but I feel like when you do that, it don't warm up the whole packet. Yeah. So I'm about to add the packet in there. Where is it? Where you at, packet? Packet. Oh. Fuck? Sorry y'all, there's a lot of stuff going on here, so like I'm trying to be as clean as possible without getting messy everywhere. Alright, so this is the macaroni and tomato sauce. They sometimes have the meat in them, but this one don't, unfortunately. But it just look like this, and it comes cold, obviously, so you gotta put it in here. It's a pad in here, a heating pad, and it warms your food up. So you gotta wait till that heat up. So you would set this to the side. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna set it to the side. I don't feel it heating up. Probably because I added too much water. But we're going to check back in a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to pour some of this water out. Yeah, I got to go fast because my camera keeps cutting off. Let's see if this heated up. Yeah, they gave me a broke freaking heater because it's literally still cold. Oh my gosh. But anyway, I'm going to take out the mail and still show y'all. But that's what this do. It heats your food up. It's the first time in like, it didn't work, I promise. So, gotta hurry up. Cut off again, let me hurry up. Yeah, the camera keep cutting off, so I'm gonna do a quick outro. Sorry about that, it's gonna be better tomorrow, but yeah, that's basically what's in the MRE. And you can pour your drink in here, your powdered drink. Or you can put it in here. It tastes just like chocolate milk, you know. It's pretty cool, y'all, but yeah, that's just something new I was gonna show y'all today. I'll see y'all tomorrow. There's nothing even coming out. Maybe it is, I'm just tweaking. I don't see it. Why don't this house coming out? Don't worry about me, guys. See y'all later. Bye.